today's video, the purpose is to demonstrate how we can use lists to run a code properly. So we're going to see, we can put in a letter here, and we'll see if our program can give us a country that starts with that letter. So let's do Z. So I'll enter Z, searching. Cool, so we got two countries, Zambia and Zimbabwe. And the way that we're able to do that is when we run this program, it checks if our answer is a letter, and if the letter is, it's a single letter. So we put Z in, that's one letter, and that becomes our answer here. And then our list is also set, and then it searches, and then for each item in the database, we add it to our list if the item in the database is equal to the letter that we put in. And here we can see our database is full of all of the countries in the world. So it runs through that and it checks to see which countries have the letter that we input, and then it will add it to the list. So if the list ends up with no countries in it, it'll be 0, and then it'll say, hey, there's no countries that start with the letter, your letter, and then it'll stop. But if there are countries, it adds it to the list adds up, and then it reads off each item in the list. If we don't put a letter in, then it'll detect that on the first section here, and then it'll say, sorry, invalid input. So that makes sure that we are actually putting in a letter. If we were to change the list, let's see, if we were to change the list and not add it to my list here, then the length of my list would be equal to 0, and it'd say there were no countries that started with the letter. So if we were to add this to like a separate list, or if we made a new list, my list would be remaining at 0. That's it.